Hi everyone, I'm coming back with a video for something that's I'm kind of happy about today. I went to Burlington Coat Factory yesterday, my favorite store right now, and I ended up buying a replacement of what I already had, which is this one right here. It's so that I can fill my own K-cup, and I do have one of the newer Keurigs, so it's the 2.0 that you have to buy for the newer Keurigs. But I really like this feature because it just saves me a lot of money. And I keep my coffee in this thing right here. This is a cool little tray that I just bought. It's kind of like a distressed wood. Absolutely love that. But anyways, I wanted to show you the difference in the old K-cup refillable, which a lot of times when I would put the coffee in there, it wouldn't even work. It would come up with like a warning on there that this wasn't compatible with the Keurig. So I would have to like sometimes use that lever to get that, you know, K-cup to go. And it would take like 10-12 times and it would finally let me make a cup of coffee. So, but the new one that I just got, and I've only used it twice this morning. Whoops, I'm looking through my viewfinder here again. I wanted to show you the bottom of the new one. I think this is the design that really has made this new one a lot easier to use and more efficient. See the old one? It just has like a flat base on it. This one has a rise right there. And just everything about it is different. Even the little filter thing right here that it goes through when the water goes through it. Here's the old design. Totally different. The top of the thing up here, this is a larger hole than this. Let me get this. I'm sorry, this is really bad. But the design is totally different on the new one. So, yeah, I like that. And then, like I said, here's the old one. Seems like... But anyways, I'm hoping that it works better. It cost me $2.99 at Burlington Coat Factory. I went to like 3 Burlingtons yesterday in my area. I'm hooked on this new jewelry line. Alright everybody, just wanted to show anybody that wants to use a Keurig with their own coffee. There you go. Have a great day.